Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you what is StockX and how it works as a buyer. And for that, subscribe to our channel to stay with our festival take all the time. So actually, I want to say something about StockX. StockX is an online marketplace for buying and selling sneakers, streetwears, watches and designer handbags. The website acts as a middleman between buyers and sellers, making otherwise potentially shady resale market transactions safe and secure. It is founded in 2015. So now I want to say something about how it works as a buyer. So actually, here we can see StockX. Here we can see many products about sneakers and streetwears. Here is product details. Here we can see Jordan 11 Retro Low. It is 100% authentic and condition is it's new. So if you want to buy this product, you have to give 571 Australian dollar. So here you can see the sizes: US men's sizes, lowest asks size chart, US M7, US M7.5, US M8, US M8.5, etc. Here we can see many sizes. So actually, how it works as a buyer. There are literally thousands of items to choose from on StockX. Once you find an item you are interested in, you can either buy it immediately for the current lowest asking price or submit a bid and wait for one of the many sellers with the same item to accept the offer. It's worth noting that StockX requires you to link to a payment method, which will be PayPal or a credit card or debit card when placing bids. You will only be charged if and when your bid is accepted. This is put in place to rid the marketplace of meaningless offers from flakers. After your purchase is confirmed, the seller has 2 business days to ship your item out for professional authentication at StockX. Actually, I personally love that sellers are held accountable for timely shipping because nobody likes to wait a long time for items to arrive. Once your item arrives at StockX, it's marked with a green private authentic tag. It's shipped out to you. You can track the status of your order, shipped by seller or authentication in progress, shipped to you, etc. online. As a buyer, you will be able to keep track of current offers placed, pending purchases, and past purchases. Since it shows a collective amount of how much you have spent, you will be less likely to spend your life savings on sneakers and streetwear. So here we can see 12-month trade range, all-time trade range. Here is historical about the StockX. So here is the statistics of their businesses. So actually, here is you can see product description. The Air Jordan 11 Low Cool Gray is the perfect pair for completing any growth fit, taking the classic retro colorway from 2001 and converting it into a low top. This pair comes in a medium gray, white and gunsmoke colorway. These shoes sport a gray-based shoe and patient leather upper with white detailing and a full icy blue translucent outsole. Releasing in April of 2018, they came in a full family run of sizes. So when someone asks what's cooler than being cool, The Air Jordan 11 low cool grace is your answer. So here we can see Jordan 11 retro low. So if you want to buy sneakers or streetwear, you can buy from the StockX, because this is actually really great e-commerce site for purchasing your sneakers. Actually, you're expecting sneakers. Here we can see many trending apparel. Here you can see featured collectibles, which is Sony, PS5, PlayStation, Microsoft Xbox, and Pokemon, and Sony, PS5, PlayStation, Supreme. So here is all about StockX. That's all for this time. Thank you so much. Please stay with us with our festival take all the time. Thank you.